presenting the Ram 2020 1500 Bighorn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 3.0L V6 turbo diesel Gen 3 included, lower active grille shutters 800 amp maintenance-free battery eco diesel badge heavy-duty engine cooling 3.8 additional gallons of diesel 250 amp alternator gross vehicle weight, 7,200 pounds dual rear exhaust with bright tips thermal rear axle, bright white clear coat, park sense front rear park assist with STOP, radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display, wheels, 20-inch X9 aluminum chrome clad, WRK, 115-volt auxiliary power outlet, gross vehicle weight, 7,200 pounds, remote start system and quick order package 28Z Bighorn included, engine 3.0L V6 turbo diesel Gen 3 transmission, 8-speed automatic.